Think creatine is a steroid? Or you'll lose muscle when you stop taking it? Let's clear this up. Creatine is one of the safest, cheapest, and most effective supplements you can take for strength and performance. Here's the real story. Creatine is stored in your muscles as quick energy called ATP. When you're doing explosive movements, like heavy lifts, sprints, or jumps, your muscles burn through that energy fast. Creatine just helps you top off your energy tank. It won't build muscle by itself, but by helping you push harder and recovering faster, it'll help you get stronger over time. Now let's bust the biggest myths about creatine. Myth 1, you lose all your muscle when you stop. No, you don't lose muscle, only a little water weight. The actual muscle you've built stays because creatine doesn't build muscle directly. Training does. Myth 2, you don't need to take it daily. Creatine works by saturating your muscles over time. If you skip days, you'll never get the full benefit. Myth 3, you need to cycle it. False, there's no need to cycle creatine. It's safe to take every day, year-round. Myth 4, you don't need extra water. Creatine pulls water into your muscles. That's how it works. If you're not drinking enough water, you'll feel flat and sluggish. How to take creatine. So how do you take creatine the right way? Stick to creatine monohydrate. It's the gold standard. Skip the flashy labels and the overpriced brands. Take 5 grams a day, anytime, morning or night. There's no loading phase. And you don't have to mix it with anything special. Also, micronized creatine just mixes easier. It's not more powerful. Creatine is one of the easiest wins for improving strength, recovery, and performance. If you want a training plan that combines smart supplementation with personalized workouts, check out the link in the description. I'd love to help you crush your goals.